Hello, fellow photographers. Today we're going to talk about scanner photos. Okay, so today we're going to talk about a strange kind of picture. These are pictures that you take without necessarily using a camera. In a lot of ways, a scanner is like a camera, so we're going to utilize the scanner to take some pictures. First one we're going to do is going to be of this alien head. I've got a very wide angle lens on there right now, so you can see that this has some depth to it. Jameson, you stay off. So what we're going to do, we're going to open up our scanner. We're going to put him face down on it and squish down a little bit just to achieve a interesting effect. So let's go ahead and preview that. And as you can see, one thing that I probably should have done is one, get the cat away, two, give it some kind of a background. So I've got a pillow here. So we're going to use the pillow to help push down this guy. So we'll put him back in there. And this is just going to give us a background. So let's try that again. Cats like helping out too. So we have our preview here, and we're just going to go ahead and scan in the whole thing. All right, we've got our resolution set to 1200 DPI, and we're going to go ahead and scan. And when you're holding something down like this, you want to try to stay as still as you can while it scans. And let's hope it doesn't take that 10 minutes it's claiming it will. In fact, I'm going to fix that. Since this isn't a picture that we're going to do anything with, we're going to drop this down to 300. Let's try that again. All right, so that picture has been taken. Now we're going to put our alien head up. And we're going to grab a dinosaur. I'm going to put him face down, kind of bend his head a little bit. And we're going to put the pillow back on, hold him down, and we'll go ahead and scan this guy in. Now, with a scanner, there's a lot of different types of pictures you can take. Let's see how scared she'll get having her feet on there. Nope, she doesn't like that. What about you? Can we get your feet to stay on there? So let's see if this will work. Trying to take a picture of the underside of their feet. All right, so we got some interesting pictures. A lot of other things you can do. I'm not going to do that with this current scanner because it's still too new and too nice of a scanner. But you can take some liquids and you can pour them on it. I would recommend saran wrap or something to kind of contain the liquid and make sure nothing gets in there. But if you need a water spill or something like that, this is an avenue you can go to try to get something like that. So this is a very short video. As always, have fun shooting, enjoy trying new creative things, and I will see y'all next time.